Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. It's long time not with you. So after long time, we meet together again.
Yeah. Like took any trades today?
Yep. Do you took any trades today?
Yeah, I took one trade in Asian session and one more small scalp in gold futures.
Oh, okay, okay. So you can break down the charts for that.
Yeah, fine. I'll share my screen. Just a minute.
Mm. And hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream chat.
Can I able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see now.
Yeah, fine. So this is the trade that I took during Asian session by
Mm.
early morning in India. So it's very simple. I'll show you the entry audit fine. So yeah, so obviously there will be a gap during the market close and the market open, and you can
Mm-hmm.
able to see some volatility when the market starts. And after this, you can able to see a sharp reversal from the same support point, or even you can call it as inversion pattern gap.
Okay.
Yeah, so the market exactly got support from this level, and the market went straight up and it got this high, which is a
Mm.
structure shift. And after this, usually I prefer retracement entries instead of taking entries at the highest point. So what happened is like after taking this high, again the market increased that and it balances SEG again and in effect to see a small consolidation over here. And from this consolidation, there is a breakout happened and again pull back, again there is a breakout. I exactly put some entry around this level. This is my entry point.
Okay.
And I usually I don't have target because it's at all time high. So what I'll do is I can use standard deviation as target, but usually when there is expansion, I'll always look for three candles. That is my way of trading. So I'll just wait for three candle expansion because usually when there is expansion on the higher side or lower side, after three candles I'll expect some kind of retracement. So I don't want to get into the retracement part. So once there is three expansion candles, I exited exactly at this point. So which is a very quick scalp. This is one trade in Asian session, and first trade, and my second trade is yeah, yeah. That's fine. So what happened is like the market fell. You can able to see a very good fall after that, and again the market started consolidating. So I actually scalped again in this range. If you look at higher time frame, like 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame, this will be a huge range. So I scalped in this range. So what happened is like the market, you can able to see the market is continuing making higher rise and it took out this high, this particular high. Okay, it took out this high and also it is nearer to a very good rejection level and also the same XST level. So what happened is after taking up this high, you can able to see a very strong downfall. Look at this. Yeah. So a very strong straight downfall and it hit all the lows, which is FKS structure shift or even you can call it as CAST or order block, anything's fine. And what happened is like after this downfall, again the market retraced back and you can able to see that a small consolidation and after this consolidation you can able to see a stage breakout. So this particular candle, it filled out this volume balance, and after filling out this volume balance, again there is a strong downward candle. So
Okay.
what? took out this loop, I entered around the 7 and I targeted this loop. So this is also a very good step. So this is the entry point and then stop loss and main target. So these are the two trades that I took today.
Okay, so you are done for today, or are you planning to take more?
No, I'm done for the day.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. Nice setup, by the way. And do you have any plans? Like, are you only trading in gold, or do you trade in another forex pair or something like that?
I do trade in Nasdaq too, as well as I do trade in gold. So these are the two pairs I usually trade.
Okay. So, and are you trading only in futures right now or CFD?
Yeah, as of now, I'm trading only in futures.
Okay, okay, okay. That makes sense. Okay, and for me, for this week, I didn't take any trades till now,
Okay.
because usually the last 2 weeks of December from last year, I skipped these 2 weeks because it doesn't suit my uh, entry style or entry level, and but I didn't took the trade, but I analyzed the chart as usual. So I
Okay.
would love to share some of my thoughts in gold, in some forex pairs, and Nasdaq as well. So I will share for me for my setup again.
Yeah, yeah, sure. You can share your screen.
Hello guys, Merry Christmas. Same to you, Abetoy. Then hello everyone. Hi, hi, hi. How are you all doing? Watching from Philippines. Thank you so much.
Are you from Philippines?
Yeah, nice. So thank you to Tradin TV as well for giving me this opportunity. Can you see my screen? I think it's not yet.
Not yet. I'm audible, right?
Yeah, you are audible, but the voice is not very clear in the first, but now it's a little bit okay.
Oh, okay.
So you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, yeah. Now I can able to see your screen.
Okay, so as of me, I want to analyze from higher time frame because I do scalping sometimes, but most of the time I trade on higher time frame. At least my minimum time frame is like 5 minutes to 15 minutes. That also I trade only sometimes, but mostly I took trades like in 1 hour time frame or 30-minute time frame, especially in CFD. But I used to trade future as well. On that time, I will shift my time frame to 1 minute. So for now, I will share my thoughts on gold in higher time frame. So let's start from weekly time frame.
Yeah, sure.
So finally, gold makes another all-time high, and as we expected, and in last 2 weeks, Kamel and me discussed about this. Gold can make another all-time high very soon, so we can say that before Christmas, and it was very nice. And I didn't participate in these moves because it was happening on Monday, and for now, I'm still bullish on gold, but as of weekly time frame, it's very nicely going up. It's kind of this could be higher high, higher low. We are forming another higher high. So if I want to continue trading on gold, I'm done for this year basically. But when I was returned on 5 of 6 of Jan coming New Year, then I would love to see some kind of retracement, and it will go further more upside. And in daily time frame as well, it was in a very premium level right now. Same with silver as well. Silver is also
Yes,
forming
there is
another
slow
all-time
growth.
high. Yeah, and so for now, I think, in my opinion, currently market wants to give some sort of retracement. I'm
Mm,
expecting some kind of retracement. So, but overall, I'm bullish on gold. And in coming weeks or coming months, I'm also my bias will be in bullish for both gold and silver. Same with Nasdaq as well, because in last month we can see the interest rate is cutting 0.25 points again. So that's the fundamental part. And M to money supply is also increasing each and every month. So in coming 2 to 3 months, I can see some kind of rally in the market, but not sure, because crypto also, it's kind of very manipulating kind of chart right now. So it's very unpredictable in crypto as well. So I hope crypto also will be getting another all-time high very soon. It will be, we can see in Bitcoin as well. And for dollar index DXY, I would love to analyze DXY if I'm trading in CFD,
okay,
because every forex pair will be depend on and correlation with dollar index. So if I was trading in any forex pair, I will always analyze DXY first. So for DXY, I will share my view on dollar index.
sure.
So let's see from higher time frame. I would love to come from higher time frame. So in monthly time frame, this is monthly time frame. It's a long term trend. So in monthly time frame, I can see this is some sort of consolidation, and we can see this manipulation taken out this highest liquidity and fill this fair value gap as well, and then it turns down to sell side liquidity, and it break the market structure over here. And right now, for some months, we are in consolidation in this area. So first of all, I'm expecting to some sort of retracement to this level, and it can come down further. But this December, I hope it is closing in bearish candle, so it might be very tricky for coming months. It can get more further down, because we can see a very beautiful trend line liquidity over here again. And the dollar is very panicking right now, the dollar, this dollar currency. So I can see some sort of more coming down in the market for dollar index. But let's see, I want to see the candle closes. So it can be, for example, we can see this monthly candle is coming down very rapidly, but at the end of the month it can be retraced back, and it can be form a very nice this kind of rejection wick. So I want to see the candle close for that, for more confirmation. And in weekly time frame, after taken out these highs, it was again breaking down structure to downside. So I hope it can come more down to take this liquidity. But this right here, this September, on weekly time frame, this September week, I want to see at least to get 50% of this big week. So if it respect from that, I can get some retracement upside, or if it close below this 50%, I can see to take out these lows once again in coming weeks or months. So that's my plan for DXY. So if DXY is in bearish, then Euro USD maybe in bullish due to correlation. So for
Yeah,
now in Euro USD, I want to see to fill this gap as well over here in weekly time frame. So
okay,
this was a very nice fair value gap on weekly time frame, and we can see some kind of liquidity upside over here. Same with this high this is some kind of equal highs over here, and above this equal high we can see this fair value gap. So in coming weeks I'm bullish until here for euro USD. So after this long consolidation it came out and break this structure. So if this week again the candle closing is good, then I will be more bullish on Euro USD and targeting these highs. There will be my short-term plan for Euro USD, and same with GBP USD as well. In weekly time frame, it was going up very bullish. So after this consolidation, it came down again, taken out these equal lows over here, taken out these equal lows, and this was a fair value gap in higher time frame. It filled this gap and it came up again and break this structure. And for this as well, I want to see to take out these equal highs, and this it can fill this gap as well. So at least in coming weeks, I'm bullish on overall. I'm bullish on EU and GU and bearish on DXY. And for gold and silver, I'm still bullish, but price doesn't go straight way to the moon, so it can get some sort of retracement before it leg up higher. So that's my plan on gold and some forex pair. So, what's your thought on this in this higher time frame analysis?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good. But again, usually the market won't go straight up to the highs and all. It will take some kind of retracement. That is what I'm expecting. Only with silver, like it is shooting up like anything. It's
Yes,
going like
yes, yes.
uh, straight up rocket.
Yeah. So,
Yeah,
bros,
no retracement, nothing.
in last 4 to 5 months, it was going from $28 to $71.
Yeah, even I've invested in silver too. It's like
Nice, nice.
40, almost 49% growth.
Nice one. And
The
I already mentioned before, like 4 to 5 months back, I mentioned in my community, I mentioned in my YouTube channel as well, like uh, if you want to invest something, you can right now, currently, you can look for silver.
mm,
Gold is good, but if you want more percentage wise, then silver will be good for 1 to 2 years from now.
yeah, it's actually so good. Even gold gave only 10%. Silver is up
Hmm.
50% in profit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think today we can go for an interactive session.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
if
We can go for
uh,
interactions.
because like the liquidity is low, it's holiday season, so it's
Mm-hmm.
better not to trade.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah.
guys, like do you have any doubts? You can ask us. We can clear your doubts.
Hmm. Chad, do you have any doubts, like any questions, any doubts you can ask here? We can discuss. Um, so Rishi can share your doubts, I can share your doubts. We can clear if we can. And because right now I don't have any setup, plus I don't want to took any new position right now because the market is not very volatile enough and the liquidity is not enough because of this holiday season. So that's the main reason. And Rishi, I want to ask something like, how do you handle losses?
Handle losses, just yeah, like I'll go for lower risk. Uh,
Mhm,
the thing is like when I started trading and all, like I used to risk huge, aiming
mhm,
for bigger profits and all. But if I'm making profits, that's completely fine. But if it goes against my trade, then it will be a nightmare because the losses will be huge. It will blow our accounts. That is my biggest lesson from my experience, that risking low is very important. If we risk low, like for example 0.5 or 1%, even if
mhm,
we lose our money, it won't affect us mentally. That is the most important part. So I'll always
mhm.
suggest anyone, those who are into trade, always risk lower and aim for longer run. Don't go for shortcuts.
Nice one. It makes sense. Same with me as well. I learn a lot. Like in 2 3 years back, I passed funded account, and after I pass funded account, I just want to risk 2%, 3% per trade because I want to withdraw more money, like
Mm.
5% payout, 10% payout. So I lost again, and then I pass after 1 month, 2 months again, and then after I pass this funded account, then I forget all my plans and all, and then I repeat again, started risking again 2 3% per trade. So likewise, I lost 4 to 5 accounts like that without any single payout after I passed the account. So I realized that after several losses, I realized that I will after I pass any funded account, my maximum risk will be 0.5% only in funded account. So it makes sense, and if I get lost, then it's fine. I can recover slowly, and I can take some profits from that. And in long term, that is the best way. So nice one. It makes sense.
Exactly. And if someone wants to go with tight risk management, go with the accounts which is having like live trailing drawdown. That's it. You have to be very careful with it.
Okay.
Ah,
And I can see some traders like they are trading in CFD in forex, and suddenly they want to change in futures because most of the influencers, most of the traders they are trading in futures. So do you have any suggestion for them, like when they are supposed to change in future, or when they are supposed to change in, like, from other asset to another?
like actually, there are advantages and disadvantages in both the fields.
Mm-hmm.
One thing I love about forex is the rules are very simple. You'll be having static drawdowns, bigger drawdowns, and the payout policy is also very good. Like you don't have payout cap. It's standard 80/20 unless if you add any add-ons, like you'll get more payouts, more payout percentage. So when it
Mm-hmm.
comes to forex platforms, like I usually like the rules because it is very simple. When it comes to
Mm-hmm.
futures platforms, the rules are quite tight. The order won't be bigger, and also
Yeah.
most of the platforms, like almost all the platforms, are having trailing drawdowns, and some platforms are having like live trailing drawdowns. That
Mm-hmm.
is one hardest part, and also the payout cap. For example, let's say if you make $10,000 in a single shot, most platforms will be having consistency rule, and also you can't withdraw the whole $10,000 profit in a single shot because that will be payout cap. So these are some. I won't say it is a disadvantage because platforms have to survive, so they have to
Mm-hmm.
tighten the rules. But these are some things that we have to be very focused when it comes to futures profits. But when it comes to taking trades and opportunities, I feel futures are giving more opportunities than forex, as well as copy trading is the biggest advantage to me when it comes to futures. I can trade
Mm-hmm.
multiple firms. I can connect any accounts with any firms. So that is the biggest advantage when it comes to futures platforms. But when it comes to forex, like now funding pips are actually allowing copy trading within their accounts. That is actually quite good because like instead of making huge profits in a single account, we can just take very low risk and take minimal profit, but we can copy trade the accounts so that for example, let's say if I'm aiming for $500 in an account, let's say I'm having three accounts with them. So one account $500 means, like, obviously for three accounts it's $1,500. So in that
Mm-hmm.
case, it will also lower my risk and also the profit will satisfy me. So when it comes to futures, like I love copy trading and the opportunities that futures platforms give. These are the two
Okay.
things I love about futures compared to forex. But when it comes to platform rules and all, I love forex.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So that's the main part they are missing. Like they don't understand about the pros and cons about this CFD and uh,
Yeah.
futures. So they are blindly shifting their trading in futures. So I would
If
like
someone
to.
is if someone is shifting blindly from forex to futures, you'll see a whole different world. in futures.
Yeah, yeah. And so
Even you
the
can't trade, you can't hold the trade to the next day. All
Mhm.
trades must be closed within the day.
Yes, yes. And in futures, perform like let's say they can't trade in higher time frame because of the drawdown. It, is it correct?
We can trade, but the thing is, we have to close the trade within the day. You can't hold the trade like forex performs. You can trade in higher time frames. That's actually allowed and all, but you can't hold the trade to the next day. You have to close the trade, otherwise, like automatically the trade will get closed. So in that case, higher time frames may not be comfortable, but you can trade in higher time frames. That is allowed.
Okay. Nice, nice. I learned a lot from you as well right now. So,
Even I am learning a lot, particularly with live trailing Dodon. It's I'm actually
mhm.
in a class with the
Okay.
prof. Every day I'm learning about trailing Dodon, like how it actually works and how it's getting calculated and all. And also the order types. It's actually we have to learn when it comes to futures performs, because for example, let's say I'm in a buy trade, and to close the trade in forex platforms, we'll just click on that order and then we'll just click on close. But in futures platforms, you have to uh, keep it as sell stop or sell limit. uh,
Okay, okay.
uh, so that is one thing you have to be careful when it comes to futures platforms. But why means, like recently on December 19th, uh, um, what happened is I took a trade in gold futures and I closed the trade manually, but I also had a open limit stop order, okay, in gold, and I haven't noticed it. So what happened is it automatically executed the trade, and I don't know whether when it was executed and all, but it was almost. The duration of the trade is like around 7 hours. 7 hours it is running. Unfortunately, by luck, it haven't hit my drawdown. That is actually luck, pure luck.
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
careful with the order types when it comes to futures performance. If you're shifting from forex to futures.
Yeah, yeah. Nice one, nice one. So, for me as well, I would love to analyze futures like in higher time frame only, because I want to see some. Because, in my opinion, let's say, for example, if I want to analyze gold, it will be, for example, let's say if I type XAU USD,
Mm.
it will be lots of charts pop up right now. So
Mm,
more
yeah,
than 23 charts. So there will be some kind of difference with those charts, with those data. So
yeah, exactly.
in Owanda, in FXCM, in Forex.com, there will
Yeah,
be some
each
sort of
broker is
difference.
having their own liquidity providers. Yeah,
So that's why that's the main reason I want to. If I want to see some accurate price, I would love to analyze in futures. In like
yeah,
for
that's
example,
actually good.
if I want to see some gap up or gap down, the volume gap, then I will shift to futures chart and I will take confirmation from futures. So I analyze
Yeah,
like that.
that's actually a good one, to be honest.
Hello, what's your view on GU? I already talked 5-10 minutes before, then I will analyze for you. Don't worry. For GU, I'm still bullish. As of my analyze, I'm still bullish on GU, but it can give some retracement to this order block. If it respect this order block in 4 hour, then it can go higher. And if it wants to get down above this low, then it can get down to this gap or to this higher time frame gap, and it can go uh, again in higher time frame. So in 1 hour, we can see over here there is a 1 hour fair value gap. So I want to see if it respect this 1 hour fair value gap, and if I see some break of structure in lower time frame, then um, it can easily touch this Asians today's Asians high. So that's my plan on GU, but I will not take any trades today. How to pass funded account? So it's a very tricky question, bro. How to pass funded account? But as of my experience, I would love to share uh, the strategy I use. Like, if you are a daily beginner, then just buy only one challenge account, and uh, like you need some experience. So just buy one challenge, try to pass that one challenge, and take some time and earn some experience from that one account. You can fail that account or you can pass that account. So at least 6 months you can try with one account. And if you are already 2 to 3 years in trading industry, and if you get some experience, then if you really want make if you really want to make money or big withdrawal, then just relying on only one challenge account is not a good idea, I would say, because you can buy 2 to 3 challenge. For example, you have a budget to buy 50K challenge, but I will suggest you just buy 10K challenge, and buy it for 3 to 4 challenge, and you can rotate from one another, because you can take some risks while doing the challenge. You can take, like, say, 2% per trade during the challenge phase. It may be in phase one or phase two, and after you pass the account, treat your funded account or treat your master account like a king. So after you pass the account, don't trade same with challenge account, the risk management. After you pass the account, you can risk 0.5 or 0.25% for in funded account, and but in challenge account you can risk around 2% per trade, because it doesn't make sense if you are already experienced to risk 0.5 or 1% in challenge phase, because it will uh, make you, like, you can get to 6% 7% in profit, and then you will be in drawdown again. So it will be kind of very difficult to pass that account if you are risking only 1%. So if you are really beginner, try to risk 1% and make some experience from that account for 5 to 6 months. And if you got some experience, you can start some risking, like 2% per trade in challenge phase only. So that would be my suggestion. So what's your suggestion about that, Rishi?
Yeah, it is actually pretty good. Uh, when it comes to approaching a challenge account, the things you have to keep in mind. First thing is, like, don't try to uh, pass a account. For example, let's say if you want to get into trading, don't try to, I want to pass this account, I want to get this much amount of pivots. Those are results, and results won't come if you don't follow the rules. If you are
Yeah.
getting into trading, the first thing you have to keep in mind is whether you are having a cash flow or not. If you are having a good cash flow, and if you can able to afford many accounts, even though if you fail an account, then in that case you can risk higher. Like, for example, to pass an account, you can go for 2% risk or even 2.5% risk to pass the account. And see, that is actually quite higher risk, because if you want to pass the account quicker, you have to go with higher risk. But keep in mind, if you can do mm, do those things only if you can able to afford another accounts. And if you don't have funds to afford another account, in that case you have to go with very lower risk. So this is how you have to approach a challenge account. And also, when it comes to trading, as Hermani said, um, experience is the most important part when it comes to trading. If you don't have experience, please try to gain experience from the charts by taking very small accounts. Even $5,000 account is more than enough to gain experience. Just buy that account, Don't try to pass the challenge. Instead, try to apply your concepts, your strategies in the charts with proper risk management and test your psychology part. Gain experience from the charts. This is the most important part.
Mhm.
Once you gain experience, then it will be very easy to handle fund accounts or many accounts. Even you can combine all the accounts and you can trade at once. So experience is the most important part in trading. It not only applies to trading, even if you go with any other field like your job or any other field, experience is the most important part. The same applies to trading. Go with smaller accounts, gain some experience, and if you do have like money flow, a good cash flow, then you can go with higher risk, quite higher risk. If not, go with lower risk. So this is my point of view.
Okay, nice one. Hey bro, I am 7% in my 5K funded account. What should I do? Are you in challenge phase or in funded phase? Brother
He
Ajay
said that
Kumar.
he's funded.
In funded account. If you are in funded account, then just wait for your stop trading, wait for the reward day, reward cycle. And first of all, your first aim is should to withdraw your profit.
I think he is in 7% drawdown. I think so.
If 7% drawdown, then try to risk smaller and try to bring that account in break even. That will be your best way. Otherwise, only 3% left for overall drawdown.
Hmm.
In funded phase, are you in 7% profit or in 7% drawdown? Rishi, do you have any plans for Christmas?
Um, I think I'm leaving tonight
Okay, okay,
for a
nice.
small trip. That's it.
Nice.
My Farad account got breached. I have followed all the rules. Also, this is funny because you can contact via mail the cartoons. We can't do anything. Like, you have to send mail to them.
Brother Ajay, if you are in drawdown, then reduce your risks. I hope in funded phase, so don't try to make it break even very quickly. Just take some time, and I think you can risk 0.25 to 0.5% because your drawdown is very near. You have only 3% left for overall drawdown. So uh, don't try to force yourself. Just reach 0.5 to 0.25 and try to bring in break even. It can take you 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It doesn't matter. So try to bring up like that in break even first, and don't try to force yourself. That will be the best way for you.
Will gold reach 4,600 this year? I don't think so, but anything will happen. It's quite holiday season. But yeah, like there are chances, but still, I'm not
Yeah,
sure that
there is
it
a
will
huge
be like
chances,
this
but
year. It
we can't do anything right now. Like we are just a retail trader.
we have to start our own JP Morgan.
If we know it can reach 4,600, then why we are coming to life here again?
I have a system. I use 1 hour time frame for analysis, entry, exit. Is that a good thing? Yeah, yeah. If that works for you, you can just do it. Anything, like don't like have your own setup. If it works for you, you can follow. It's not mandated to follow any other steps or any other procedure. If it works, it works. That's it.
Yeah, yes, yes, exactly, exactly. So if it works for you, then you can go for it. Like
Yeah,
there will be lots of different strategies, different concepts, or like somebody is doing scalping in 1 minute, someone is trading in 1 hour time frame. It doesn't matter. If it suits you, then go for it. Try to gain more experience with your own concept. Like every concept will work, but
yeah,
sometimes you have to understand every concept will work, but only sometimes. So you have to identify that in what timing or in what kind of market condition it will work more. So
yeah.
that is the
Market
sweet spot.
condition is the most important part. If you know the market condition, you can use any concepts.
Yes, gold is in uptrend. You can see in look from weekly time frame. It's in bullish. Daily time frame bullish. 4 hour time frame bullish. 3 hour time frame bullish. Even in 1 hour time frame is in bullish right now. So from higher time frame up to 1 hour time frame, everything is in bullish. So why you are confused about that?
Sometimes I feel the need to look at the market at the higher time frame, but I get things mixed up also. So I stopped. One advice I'll give to anyone those who get into trading is never look at someone's trade, never look at someone's profit, because you don't know what they have gone through. They might also like they might be also draw on. We don't know the things. So if you're into a concept like whether it's retail concepts or if you're using indicators or if you're using ICT or SMC or any other concepts, just stick with it and keep it simple. Don't try to complicate things. And when it comes to higher time frame, if someone is about to start trading, I'll always suggest those people to go with higher time frame, because in higher time frames you'll cut down all the noises. You'll get clear view in the charts, and also you'll wait for perfect entry to happen. So that will actually cut down most of the losses, and that will prevent your psychology part too. So to me, a higher time frame execution is one of the best thing to start with trading, because it will reduce all your risk. Most times it will reduce the risk.
Yeah. If you are really beginner, then please focus on higher time frame. Because I would love to share some thoughts. Like if you are really beginner and try to trade in 1 minute time frame, so if you are trading in 1 minute time frame, your stop loss or TP will get hit within some minutes in a very short period of time. So it will get you more emotional in that very short period of time. So as a beginner, you can or you can't make any good decision in that short period of time. So if you are really beginner, please try to understand the market first from higher time frame like weekly, daily, and 4 hour. Try to focus on that, and if you gain some experience, if you are already trading for 1 year, 2 year, then you can shift your time frame to lower time frame. So it doesn't matter. It will be forever. You must trade in higher time frame. It doesn't work like that. So whatever it suits you, you can choose that. But as of my suggestion, if you are really beginner, please focus on higher time frame. Higher time frame trend, the direction of the higher time frame, everything depends on the higher time frame.
Exactly. What's your personal plan on for 2026? What's your plan, Herman?
My personal planning would be uh, in trading. So currently, my overall withdraw is around from funded accounts. Overall withdraw is around, it's less than 40K. So in coming 2026, my target is to withdraw more than $100,000 overall. And I would love to experience more in the market, and I would love to improve my mindset as well. And I would love to network with like-minded peoples like Rishi, Anand, and all. Tufik, they all are my friends. We are getting uh, this kind of opportunity. So I would love to talk with them and networking with them. And I would love to share the reality of a trader, like the journey like that. So that's my simple plan. And what about you, Rishi?
My personal plan is one thing is like I want to go for consistent payouts. Uh,
Mhm.
I'm actually about like 2000 uh, $2,400 to request 18,000 payouts. I'm just going very slow. I'm not rushing. Just taking 3 micros, 4 micros. So I don't know whether I'll withdraw by this year end. If it happens, it will be good. Or else, if it happens by Jan, that will be my first withdrawal. And obviously, I have to go for more than 100K in payouts. That is my biggest goal. And
Okay.
also, I'm also focusing on businesses too. So I'm just going to scale my business in other languages. That is one of my plan. And also, I'm working on a AI project. So at
Mm-hmm.
least by next year, I have to launch it. So
Mm-hmm.
these are my goals, and I have to get fit. That is one of my biggest goal.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. And Rishi, are you from Kerala?
No, no, India.
I mean Kerala, Kerala state.
No, no, no. Tamil Nadu, Tamil.
Tamil Nadu. Okay, okay. So I would love to
Close to
visit.
Kerala.
I would love to visit your state.
Yeah, just come and then give a call. I'll be there.
Sure, sure,
I'm just
sure.
10 minutes away from airport.
Okay, okay, okay. And the market is not moving uh, like it seems like there is no liquidity in the market right now. So everyone is going for
Yeah,
Christmas. Everyone is preparing for Xmas.
that's the only reason. Like I took trade in Asian session. I actually planned the day before itself. Let's go for Asian session instead of London or New York. I executed and I got one more scalp opportunity in London. That's one good.
And I'm really grateful. And like me, Rishi, and guys, whoever who are watching this live right now, like you are doing really great. Like just you are just like 1 year away from your dream payout or dream life. Just do whatever you want and lock in for 6 months to 1 year, and you can find very easily your success. Like, but you need to be very disciplined enough, and every day counts. You need consistent in the market. You need to train your eyes to gain more experience. Like, even though sometimes someone asking me like what will be the bias and all, but I don't know how to explain. But in my mind, I can see the charts like it will move further more, or it will be more in consolidation. So I realize that is kind of an experience that I can't explain, because I can see because of the market. Like, I have been trained my eyes looking this same chart for last 6 years. So that's why I can say that it can be more in consolidation or it can go higher from here. So there is some difference between learning from someone or gaining from your own experience. So experience is one of the most important key in this market.
Experience is the most important part. Whether it comes to trading or any other field, experience is the most important part. About 3 years experience in trading, is it okay to spend 3 to 5 months in the challenge phase? Mm, if it won't affect you psychologically, then it's okay. If it is affecting you psychologically, probably you may increase your risk. Like, may I know why you are in challenge phase like for 3 to 5 months?
Brother Isaac, I will share you my personal story. In 2024, I do a challenge. I buy a $50,000 challenge from Funding Pips, and from day one, I was doing live trading. And right now, it was in my highlight as well in my Insta and in my YouTube. So in that $50,000 account, I took around 4.5 months to pass phase one and phase two, because I was trading in higher time frame, only in higher time frame. So in higher time frame, in a month I got around 6 to 10 setup in average in higher time frame. So I was risking only 1% per trade, and my risk to reward is 1:2, and I follow all the rules. And it took me around 4 months to pass phase one and phase two, and I completely passed the account, and I took withdrawal of around $6,000 from that account. But overall, it took me around 7 8 months to fulfill that. But that is also kind of experience because I was trading in higher time frame, and right now, uh, I don't spend more time in challenges. I spend more time in funded account. So right now, my process will be, if I want to pass 100K, I will buy 4 to 5 accounts, and I will take more risks in challenge phase. And maybe from that five challenge account, I can pass two or three. Uh, that's the probability. And from that two account, I can easily get payout more than that. So that was the journey and experience I can from the market. So it depends on you, like why you are, what's your plan, and mm what's your trading style. It depends. It really depends on your trading style and your plan.
That's a quite inspiring one.
So it was very like in my initial days. In a single day, I in 2020 2021, in a single day I used to take more than 30 to 50 trades per day. More than 30 to 50 trades, like if the candle is going up, I will buy, and if it going down, I will sell more. And then the London session will be in profit, and the New York comes, all my profit will be gone, and I will blow the account in New York again. So that was the loop. I was been there for 1 to 2 years. So it was a great journey. And comparing then right now I'm taking around 6 to 8 trades per week. That's my current plan, 6 to 8 trades per week. Because I'm not a scalper, I love to trade in 15-minute or 1 hour time frame. So that's my plan
That's
currently.
You would have a lot of patience, to be honest. I'm not that patient enough like you. That is the best thing you have.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, like in that time, no, I took around 4.5 months to pass just one funded account, $50,000
Mm.
funded account. In phase one, I started from September, and phase one I passed in December, and phase two I passed in second week of February. And then my first withdrawal was in March. That was also my withdrawal cycle is for 1 month, 100% payout 1 month. So I wait for 1 month. I just gain 1 or 2%. Then I'm done for the month, and I will wait for the reward days for around 20 to 25 days. I will wait for the reward. So it gain it was very slow. I know, but
Mm.
it the
No, I
experience and
wouldn't call it as slow and all because you're actually doing the right path. Because like most people will think that trading is actually a quick rich money and all. It won't work like that. The thing that you're following is actually the very good thing, and I don't have patience like you. That is my drawback, because waiting for months to for a single payout, and waiting for months to crack a challenge, it requires high discipline. That's actually quite hard, and that is the right way to approach trading. It's not about like getting into trade and making $100,000 and then flashing Dubai, like luxury cars and all. That is not trading. No,
Hmm.
trading is
Yeah.
like any other job. It takes time. You have to understand that it involves a lot of mental pressure too. You have to tackle all those things, and once you
Hmm.
master all those things, then the real money comes in. Like anything, you will get more payouts, you will get very good money flow, but in order to get to that stage, you have to face all those things, like lot of mental pressure, lot of depression, and the urge to get into trades, the urge to go with higher risk, and yeah, I can say many things.
So it's a very great journey. Then after trading, I can understand myself. The beauty of trading is that I can understand more, like about myself
Exactly.
and how I'm feeling when I was in pressure, and I can make very good decision. Like trading is all about decision making.
Hmm.
So
Yes.
when you are in drawdown and when you are in high pressure, the question is that are you making the right decision? So that is the real like
Correct.
play in the
Yeah,
market.
exactly correct. 100% correct. Getting a little 5K account takes me a month or two of work to save for it, leading to my testing to cut us so much.
Getting as little as 5K account takes me a month or two of work to save for it, leading to my decision to cut risks so much. It depends on you, bro.
Is he saying like to get a $5,000 account, he's going for a job? Is he saying like that?
If it does means that then trading is not for you, or you can save money more for 1 or 2 years, gain more experience, and you can come back again.
Yeah, to the people, those who don't have money to buy challenges or get into trading, please have a cash flow from your end. Go for a job. Going to a job is nothing wrong. Just go for it.
Yes.
Feed yourself. Keep yourself stable. Because trading is not just about technical parts. Like there are lot of mental stages you have to go through. And for example, let's say if your monthly expense is $500, and if you're relying only on trading, you can't able to make it for sure. Okay, like in order to make that $500, you'll pressure yourself, you'll force yourself to get into trades, you'll over risk, you won't find for good setups. So everything is connected to money. So always have a cash flow. Going to job is nothing wrong. Don't believe all those flashy things and all those luxury things. It won't work that way. Just go small, take very low risk, but take risk. To me, take a risk, but you have to be calculative in that risk. That is the most important part. So if you can't able to afford an account, please go for a job. There's nothing wrong in it. Just go for it and keep yourself stable, then go for the risk part. I've blown 5 accounts on challenges, never got into funded, so I adjusted my risk with a different plan, which will take 3 to 6 months, risking very little to pass, even though the market can decide otherwise. Yeah, if it's okay for you, you can go with that, Isaac. There is nothing wrong in it. Just make sure your psychology is good,
Yeah.
because sometimes it will be frustrating for us, like it's been 2 months, I haven't even passed a single challenge. You look at other payouts or other people's passing accounts, then it will again trigger emotions. So keep these in mind. It's better don't look at profits of others. or trades of others or others or passing accounts of others. Don't look at those things. Just focus on your journey. Just focus on your path. That's it. If you're making loss, take responsibility and correct all those mistakes, and then try again. Experience makes you a better trader. What's in this? What's this blue band?
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of Bennett first set.
Oh, grip band.
Yep, yep, yep.
Okay.
Okay, any questions, guys? You can drop on the chat. So, in some minutes, we will be ending soon. So, you can drop your questions. We can share for you. And in this coming new year, I wish you all and make your dreams come true. Lock in yourself, get healthy. The most important part is like everything depends on your mindset.
100%.
Technical is around 10 to 20% in trading. So the rest 80% will be from your mindset. Like the person you are becoming, it will be reflected in your trading account.
Exactly.
So Rishi, Anand and you are from same step.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Actually, he's Kerala. His native is
Hmm.
Kerala, but he knows my language. He knows
Okay.
Malayalam too, and he
Hmm.
is living in Bangalore, which is Karnataka. So, uh, like, I think he's actually from three different states.
He was very smart, by the way. And I have lots of friends from your state, like my batchmate when I was in college and all. I have lots of friends from your state.
Oh, where are you from actually?
I'm from Manipur, Northeast India,
Oh,
Manipur.
okay, okay. Is everything fine there now?
Yeah, everything is fine, but there is not yet the solution, but it's quite fine now.
That's good. Got it. Can we end the stream now?
Yes, we can. Yeah, we can end it now. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching this live. See you in next New Year because my next live will be, I hope, in Jan. So see you there. Have a great day. Have a great Christmas day and Happy New Year to all of you. Best wishes from me and Rishi as well. And
Yeah. Happy New
grind
Year.
more.
All right,
We can
fine,
call it a
guys.
day. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Happy New Year
Happy New Year and Happy Christmas too.
and
Bye bye.
Happy Christmas to all of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye.